Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Asgari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing tatingin natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirits ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating masasagap at ang ating mahagilap. So, guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig na guumapaw ang biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages give information for the sign of Libra for a weekly gabay for December 1 hanggang December 7, 2023. Ano kaya ang pasabog, bulabog sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? There's a five of wands. So, there's a lot of competitors. So, marami dito competition, no? Let's see. What is the two of wands? So, there's a two-path. Tingnan mo yung both side of situation, no? Kumaga kailangan tingnan mo yung lighter side, no? Yung pinakamagandang eksena on both situations. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a wheel of fortune. So, ibig sabihin, there's a good luck, no? Talaga may swerte na iikot ng kapalaran na talagang papabor na sa'yo ang eksena na to, no? Kumbaga, makikita mo yung magiging better version of situation, no? And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. There's an kumbaga, a bigger picture of yourself. Kumbaga, nakikita mo na yung magiging possibilities. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. So, magtatagumpay ka talaga. Diba? There's a victory. Additional messages for you. There's a devil energy. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a toxic and there's a negativity around you or something. There's toxic or black magic involved. For i-recognize natin kung black magic ba to or it's a negative or toxic behavior or toxic energy. Let's see. What is the Five of Wands in conflict, no? There's a complication or something disappointment or something disagreement, no? And because there's a judgment, a wake-up call. So this is the moment, kumbaga, there's a red flag. Kumbaga, this is the sign na ibibigay sa'yo ng angel spirit na you need to take an action. Kailangan mong kumilos, no? Kailangan mong solusyonan. Kasi there's a Five of Wands, there's a complications. And of course, parang there's parang divine intervention or paalala sa'yo ng ating divine na you need to take an action for this. Let's see what is the Two of Wands. Because there's an Eight of Wands. So, there's a fast communication and fast movement. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's an messages or trouble coming in for you, no? So, let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. Ano tong good luck and swerte? Because there's a Hangman, no? So, ibig sabihin dito sa'yo na, kumbaga, there's a new perspective and new mindset, no? Or some of you nakakaranas ka ng delay, no? Kumbaga, nandito na yung swerte, pero bakit napaka-alat ng eksena? Ganon. Kumbaga, kabaliktaran na nangyayari. Yung swerte ay alat or something delays, no? So, let's see what is the Queen of Swords. And because there's the Lover. So, some of you, kumbaga, with your partnership, kumbaga talaga nakikita mo na magiging masagana kayo, no? Sa isa't isa. So, let's see what is the Six of Wands. So, there's Four of Swords. So, ibig sabihin mapagtatagumpayan mo, pero kailangan mong malaman kung paano. There's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feelings. May mga bagay na ipapaalala sa iyo ang ating mga gabay or something na ipapakita by our intuitions. So, let's see what is the Devil. Bakit nandito yung Devil energy? And because there's an Ace of Swords, na breakthrough, magtatagumpay ka dito. Okay, so ibig sabihin na magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity, mauunawaan mo yung nangyayari behind your back. Okay, meron ditong kamalasan na ginagawa sa'yo. There's a competitor. Or some of you kumbaga kung may business kayo, binuhusan tong binegosyo nyo ng pampaalat or pampabagsak. Or suddenly, kumbaga nagiging delay or kumbaga matumal yung negosyo nyo. And the Wheel of Fortune is here na, kumbaga imbis na swerte ang pumapasok, kamalasan, no? At alat. And of course, there's an information na mapapansin mo to your intuition situation na hindi ka makapakali or something, hindi ka makatulog or nagkakaroon ka ng fear or something, no? Parang kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng pangamba or something, kumbaga, nervous, parang ganon, no? Ninenervyos ka or something na kinakabahan ka sa nowhere na parang sinasabi ng gabay mo na you need to take action, no? Sa nangyayari sa behind your back. Parang may paalala sa yung divine dito na kailangan mong kumilos, no? At kailangan mo magdesisyon. Let's see what is the devil energy and of course the ace of swords. And of course, there's a king of swords, being wise. So, kailangan maging wise ka dito, no? At kailangan maging matalino ka. At kailangan, kumbaga, there's a truth reveal. Okay, thank you. Malalaman mo at magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan na there's something wrong behind the devil. So, let's see what is the five of wands and the judgment. Pero kasi sinasabi dito, there's a two of cups. There's a partnership. Sabi ko na meron kang kakompetensya pagdating sa business, sa relasyon, sa love life mo. No? Even, gusto ko malaman kung family related or ex or something, kapitbahay. Gusto ko malaman to, no? See, sabi ko na nga ba, there is a king of pentacles, no? Kumbaga, there is a stability and control, no? And of course, there's an ace of pentacles. There's a big opportunity and big money. Ibig sabihin to na iinggit, no? Ang laki ng inggit sa'yo, no? Ng tao na to. At sinasabi dito na okay, recognize kung kapitbahay daw. So, there is a night of intuition. Tama yung hinala mo, no? So, nasa sayo yan. Kung hinala mo ay kapitbahay mo or ex ng jowa mo or ex ng asawa mo or ex mo or some of you baka relatives, no? Let's see what is the two of wands and of course the eight of wands. So, there's a page of swords. So, there's an information. May mga bagay or balita ka makukuha dito. So, let's see what is the wheel of fortune and of course the hangman. So, there's a four of wands. So, there's a celebration, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon dito ng celebration and there's a twin flame energy, no? There's a soulmate connections. So, ibig sabihin dito na at the end of the road, no? Sa lahat ng kaganapan na to, na magtatagumpay ka pa rin. Maraming celebration, maraming kaganapan sa buhay mo na magsasucess ka. Kumbaga, there's a 11-11, there's an awakening, no? There's an awakening or wake-up call na, kumbaga, kailangan mag-pay attention ka kung anong nangyayari sa paligid mo, no? So, let's see what is the Queen of Swords and the Lovers. So, there's a Five of Cups. So, there's a regret or something disappointment or moving on. No, kailangan, itong tao na to hindi makamove on. So, ibig sabihin dito, it's an ex. Yung gumagawa sa'yo, it's an ex. No, hindi makamove on. So, let's see what is the Six of Wands and the Four of Swords. And of course, there's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes or something at destruction or chaos. May taong gumagawa sa behind your back na gusto kayong sirain, no? Gusto kayong sirain, no? Kumbaga, isabotahe yung inyong relasyon. Na gusto kayong pabagsakin, kumbaga, nagkakaproblema kayo finances or something. Kumbaga, dadaanin kayo sa problema. Para nang sa ganun, hindi kayo magkaroon ng pagkakaunawaan, no? Kumbaga, magkaroon kayo ng disagreement, ganon. Kumbaga, ayun yung mag-cause ng inyong separation. So, yun yung ginagawa dito para masira kayo. Pero eventually, kumbaga, dun yung nagiging solid foundation yun ng dalawa kayo ng with your partner, with your husband, or something with your loved ones, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Nine of Wands. So, there's a final push, no? Kumbaga, napakalapit mo na sa success. At the end of the time, kumbaga, mas maganda yung tahimik lang, no? There's a resilience and perseverance. May magtiyaga ka lang, no? Pagtiyagaan nyo lang yung nangyayari behind your back. And because there's Six of Cups, kumbaga, there's a past person coming back or something. There's a past person or there's a familiarity, no? Ito, there's an ex with the Six of Cups and of course the Seven of Cups, no? Ginugulo kayo nito at gusto kayong guluhin. Until now, no, umaasa siya na babalikan siya ng person mo o babalikan mo siya. It's either your person, ex, or yung ex mo. Or suddenly, baka relatives or friend, no? So, ibig sabihin, nanggugulo to sa inyo. No? Ginugulo yung inyong pagsasama. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a Hermit card. Oh my God! So, ibig sabihin the Hermit card, the soul searching, no? Kumbaga, pinapakita yung about sa spirituality and there's a religious belief, no? Kumbaga, dito masusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala niyo sa ating poong may kapal. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, magkakaroon ng, kumbaga, gusto nito matutunan mo yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo at may mga bagay na bibigyan kaliwanagan about sa spiritual, no? It's either signs or synchronicities or intuitions, daydream, or something, kumbaga, meron kang nararamdaman by astral travel, no? May mga bagay about sa spiritual na ay maglilinaw sa'yo with the mental clarity. So, let's see what is the love oracle card. So, let's see what is the love oracle card. What is the love oracle card? There's a key of the ring. So, ibig sabihin, there's a lot of options and decisions, no? And kasi sinasabi dito, the golden mirror, no? Kumbaga, there's a one-sided absorbent. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, there's a person na narcissism, no? Yung gusto na, kumbaga, there's a karmic, no? There's a karmic family. Karmic family relationship, parang ganon. Kumbaga, meron ditong something na nangyari from the past, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, hindi matanggap ng ex ng person mo o ex mo yung separation na nangyari sa kanila. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. And of course, there is a close off, guarded, no? Ako protektado ang inyong relasyon with there's a twin flame energy. Wow! And of course, at the same time, there's may feminine. Oh my God. Sabi ko na, may babaeng involved. My God. Babae to, no? It's either your person, yung person ng, yung ex ng asawa mo or jowa mo. Ganun to, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for you. For a magical messages. Let's see what is a magical fairy messages muna. Magical fairy messages. Toasted mo, ha? Marriage. Oh my God, sabi ko na it's either asawa mo eh. No? Or either ex ng asawa mo. Ganon. Or ex-husband or ex-wife ng person mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a connect with the natures, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo mag-unwind or something, no? Na magbibigay sa'yo ng clarity. So, let's see. Or something rejuvenate, no? And of course, there's an additional messages for angel spirit guides. Forgiveness, no? Kailangan magkaroon ng kapatawaran or something. Walang kapatawaran dito. Kabarang sinasabi dito na hindi mapatawad. Parang ganon. And of course, there's an acceptance. So, hindi matanggap. Or may mga bagay na kailangan tanggapin. No? So, let's see what is the chakra messages for you. And there's a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, ha? And of course, there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka na and there's a guilt, no? May galit, may galit to. Kuya, may galit yung person mo or ex mo, no? Additional messages. 7 chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances. Natutulungan ka rin ng Archangel Uriel about sa finances. And because walking away, so kailangan mo makalis sa situation. Or kailangan nyo nang maglipat bahay, no? And of course, see, nakita mo yan, twin flame and there's a feminine energy. No? Twin flame kayo, and of course, there's a feminine energy dito na maaaring may involved na, di ba, babae dito. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a man holding a coin. So, ibig sabihin na, if you are a man, so ibig sabihin dito, ikaw ay may hawak ng finances. If you are women, yung person may hawak ng finances. Or let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Pero kasi sabi niyang, prayer will help you from this situation. No? Magdasal ka lang. Kasi makakatulong yan para makalis ka sa situation. And write about your thought and feelings. So, tama yung instinct mo, tama yung intuitions mo, makinig ka sa inner voice mo. At the same time, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. See, I told you, your inner voice or your inner guidance ay totoo, no? At talagang pagkakatiwalaan mo sila. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Okay, balance is spiritual and practicality. Yun yung kailangan mo maging balance, no? At kailangan mong makontrol. And because there's a new start is coming. So, may bagong simula na dito magaganap. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. What is the Romance Angels? Very soon. So, very soon. So, clearing decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So, diba? Napakalapit na. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's some home help. No? And of course, another side daw mayroon akong dito, parang nagabayan ko there's an person na inagawang ka, no? It's an ex na nag-agaw sa'yo, or something na, may ex na hindi maka-move on or something na kumbaga mayroong dating asawa na hindi maka-move on. May ganun na ako nakikita dito ha. At may kailangan daw ng tulong ng tahanan. Kasi there's vice versa or something na kumbaga opposite. Okay, let's see. So there is the seven star sister expression. And there's a tapestry of life and birthing creation. So ibig sabihin ikaw yung gagawa ng mismong eksena mo or tadhana mo, no? Ipakita mo sa mundo yung totoong ikaw at yung totoong nararamdaman mo, ganon. And there's a freedom na may kalayaan kang gawin yung mga bagay na yan. So let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a taking action. So, kailangan mo mag-take ng action, ha? And because there's a boundaries. At kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries para hindi kayo na gugulo ng tao na to. At gusto kayo talagang guluhin, no? And because there's a third eye, clairvoyance, no? Kumbaga may six senses ka na ang lakas ng radar mo, ang lakas sa pakiramdam mo na there's something wrong, no? And there's an awareness. So, see? Kumbaga, may itong opportunity nito para sabihan ka, mag-ingat ka for awareness, no? Na may nangyayari behind your back or something may gumagawa sa inyo ng hindi maganda. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Oh my God, dalawa. So, sinasabi na, give and shall be given to you. Ibigay mo ipagkakalob sa iyo ng ating may kapal at ating Panginoon. And sinasabi dito, well done, do good and faithful servant. So, ibig sabihin dito tapos na. Maging mabuti ka na lamang lilingkod sa ating poong may kapal at lahat ng mga bagay na ipagkakalob sa in the right time, no? So, there's an angel's answer. So, guys, may mga katanungan kayo sa isip nyo, magtanong na kayo at nandito yung kasagutan. Bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo, guys, no? So, okay. Isip na, guys, ng questions. 1, 2, 3. Angel's answer. Give me information. And there's a listen to your intuitions, no? Ito yung sinasabi kanina pa na makinig ka sa intuitions mo at sa gut feeling mo, no? Ayun yung sagot sa katanungan mo. And there's an abundance. Magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito. Kung yan ang tanong mo, yan ang sagot, no? Let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's answer, give me information. There's a 9, I am compassionate, no? Sinasabi, it's your compassion that makes you shine. You are devoted and to helping the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking of for others. And your soul is most satisfied when you're being service, no? Kumbaga ano kaya, kumbaga itong tao na tulungin ka, and of course, kumbaga napaka-generous mong tao, no, and of course, all the sacrifices that you done sa mga taong mahal mo, di ba? Handa kang magsakripisyo at handa kang lumaban, no? Napaka-strong ng personality mo. So, let's see what is the messages of life and unconditional love. So, this is it, no? Be it. So, let's see. Basahin na natin. Today, I choose to see the light in everyone. I seek the divine each being, and I accept others as they are. I bring compassion to all my brothers and sisters of the light. I offer unconditional love to everyone. I join my soul with theirs so that we can grow together in universal love. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's an unconditional love. Kumbaga, meron ka mga bagay na, kumbaga, pag nagmahal ka, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo yan nakikita kung ano man ang uri, no? Kasarian man yan or, ano man bagay, no, na madali kang kumbaga mabuti yung puso mo, mabilis kang magmahal, mabilis kang masaktan, ganon. Kumbaga, ano mang kaganapan sa buhay mo, kumbaga, alam mo, there's a love that can exist, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo at kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin mo, no? At may mga bagay na kailangan mo lang pag-ingatan at kailangan mong maging maingat, no? Lalo-lalo sa mga tao sa paligid mo. At kailangan maging, kumbaga, mag-set ka ng boundaries sa protectionan mo yung grounds mo and of course, territory mo. So, this is weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. So, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik liglig na guumapa ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!